Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Learn Math with Sir Mark. In this video, I'm going to discuss diagonal, interior, and exterior angles of a polygon. But before anything else, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel and click the bell button so that you will be notified whenever I'm going to upload a new video. So if you're ready, let's begin. Okay. First, let us define what is a polygon. A polygon is a closed geometric figure composed of segments which intersect only at their endpoints. The segments are the sides of the polygon and the intersection of the endpoints are the vertices. Any segment joining non-consecutive vertices is a diagonal. So in this given illustration, the segments AB, BC, CD, DE, and AE are sides of the given polygon, while the points A, B, C, D, and E are the vertices. Also, the segments AC and AD are examples of diagonals. Okay. Next, a polygon can either be convex or concave. Okay. We said a polygon is convex if it contains all segments connecting any pair of its points. Otherwise, it is concave. As you can see on the second figure, this is an example of concave, okay? Because, as you can see here, it's not included in the polygon. Itong points na to. See that? Okay. Next, another definition is that a convex polygon can also be defined as a polygon with interior angle that measures less than 180. Once again, the first one is convex, the second one is concave. Okay? I'd like to emphasize here, this is obviously greater than 180, thus making it concave. Okay? Next, the sides ABCDE. The sides of ABCDE are said to have been produced in the same direction. Okay, segment AM, this one, is an extension of EA in the direction of A. Okay, starting from E towards A, so this is the extension. While BN is the extension of AB in the direction of B. So, angle A, this one, angle A is said to be included by the sides AB and AE. See that? While AB is the included angle, included side by angles A and angle B. See that? Okay. Angles A and B are an example of consecutive angles of the polygon. Okay. Next. Any angle included by two sides of a polygon is an interior angle. So as you can see here, the interior angles are angles A, B, C, D, E. And an angle formed by one side of the polygon and an extension of another is an exterior angle. So as you can see here, this is one interior angle. This angle is made by the extension. Okay, so we call this angle X as the exterior angle. Okay, there you go. Next, another definition. So a polygon with all of its sides equal is equilateral. Okay. And one with all the angles equal is equiangular. If it so happened that both equilateral and equiangular, then we said that the polygon is regular. Okay. Now, here are examples of the polygons with their names. Okay, so with the given sides, and then the given sum of interior angles. Okay. And then this is this table here refers to the measure of each interior angle of a regular polygon. So once again, to get the sum of interior angle, so the formula is n minus 2 times 180. See that? On the other hand, if the polygon is given and that is regular, okay, if we're after for the measure of each interior angle of a regular polygon, we use this formula, n minus 2 times 180 over n. Now, let's take a look at this. Okay, as you can see here, alright, so observe that this is a triangle. The number of sides is 3, the sum of interior angles is 180, and we all know that, and one interior angle is 60. So regular yan. Now look what will happen. kapag square, okay, so nagva-vary na. So, the interior angle is 90. Okay, kapag pentagon, so the interior angle is 108, the sum is 540, and so on. See that? Okay, so until we have the undecagon and the decagon. See that? Okay. Next. Okay. The sum of the exterior angle is always 360. Okay, I'll show that. Okay, pakita natin. Okay, so this is an exterior angle, yung 45. Okay. So mag-start tayo dito. Alright. So the exterior angle here is 120. Alright. So the interior angle here is 60. So together they form linear pair. So that's why the sum is 180. Now look what will happen. Okay, kapag quadrilateral, we have this pentagon, hexagon, 2, 4, heptagon, octagon, and nonagon, dodecagon. So there you go. See the relation? Okay, now let's add this. Now, like I said, pakita natin bakit 360. Okay, so as you can see here, this is an example. Okay, this will show you that the sum of the angles of the exterior angle, the sum of the exterior angle is 360. So look at this. Alright? So this, okay, look at this. So yung red na yan, okay, is an example of exterior angle, right? Now, this is the second exterior angle. Now, look what will happen. Okay, yung red and then yung color blue, okay, yan yung sum nila. Then this is the third one. As you can see here, okay, that completes one revolution. So that's why the sum is 360. See that? Okay. Now, tingnan natin kung quadrilateral. Okay, tingnan natin dito. Alright, so same. This green here, yung blue, yung red na exterior angle, and last yung purple, so together, 360. Kahit baguhin ko yung size ng quadrilateral ko, still, yung sum nitong exterior angle na to, ito, and ito, is always 360. See that? Okay, kahit baguhin natin yan. Alright. Okay, now, tingnan natin sa pentagon. Okay, so, one more. Pentagon, again, so, look at this. So, this one, the orange one, is an exterior angle. Right? Okay, as well as this. Ayan, exterior angle yan, and so on. There you go. So, 360. Again, itong orange, itong blue, itong pink, itong green, and this one, the violet one, 360 kapag inad mo. Again, kahit baguhin mo yan, okay, still, hindi magbabago yung sum ng exterior angle. See that? Okay. Next. So, the measure of each exterior of a regular n-gon is 360 over n. Okay, we know that. Next. Lastly, so the number of diagonals, okay, here are the table with the kung triangle, no diagonals, kung quadrilateral, 2 diagonals, and so on. So the formula there is n times n minus 3 over 2. Okay, so that is, where's that? Okay, this one. As you can see here, number of sides, 3. That's triangle. Number of diagonals, none. So now, look what will happen. Kapag quadrilateral, so obviously there are 2 diagonals. Okay, when we have a pentagon, we have 5 diagonals. Hexagon, 9. Heptagon, 14. Octagon, 20. Nonagon, 27. Decagon, 35. There you go. Amazing, right? Cool. Okay, now let's go back. So that's it. Once again, take note of the formula. Okay, we'll apply that later. Okay, now let's have example number 1. Determine the sum of the interior angles of the following polygon. Once again, ang formula kapag interior angles, sum of interior angles is n minus 2 times 180. Okay, let's have number 1. Okay, this is just a special name. Hendecagon, that's 11 gon. So, meaning to say, once again, n minus 2 times 180. Ito lang yung gagamitin nating formula. So, that is, for letter A, so we have 9 times 180. As simple as that. Okay? So, that is 9 times 180. So, that is 1,620. Clear? Okay, that's for letter A. How about for letter B? So, icosagon, that's a polygon with 20 sides or 20gon. So, meaning 20 minus 2, so that's simply 18 times 180. And we know, okay, 18 squared, that is 324, right? Times 10. So, that's why 3,240. Simple, right? So, once again, don't forget the formula. Next, number 2. Find the measure of each interior angle of the following polygons. Okay, for the decagon, measure of each interior angle of the regular polygon to. Regular. Okay, so now, kapag dodecagon, so again, yung formula kapag regular polygon, interior angle, so that's n minus 2 times 180 over n. Okay, so that's why for letter A, so since 12 sides yan, so we're going to have 12 minus 2, that's 10 times 180 over 12. Okay, so let's simplify. So this 12 here is 4 times 3. Okay, 4 times 3 yan. While this one here, 180, that is 45 times 4, right? Or 15 times 3 times 4. Clear? Okay, so clearly, maka-cancel ko ngayon tong 4 and 3. Okay, so what will be left here is just 15 and 10. See that? So therefore, each angle of a regular dodecagon is simply 150. See that? Okay, for letter B, hexadecagon. Again, you don't need to memorize this, pero just for the information. Okay, so that's it. Kung 16 gon, so that is 16 minus 2, that's 14 times 180 over 16. And 16, that's 4 times 4. Okay, again, I did it parang ganito. Okay, so ang 180, again, nakita ko na yun kanina. So that's simply 45 times 4. Right? Now, tapos yung set 14, that's 7 times 2. Okay, so that, maka-cancel ngayon tong 4. Okay, maka-cancel ngayon tong 2. Okay, so fraction yan. So, 7 times 45. Okay, so that is 315. Okay, I'll use yellow. Okay, that's, okay, 7 times 45, that's 315 all over 2. Alright. So, or, gawin nyo na lang, 315 over 2, or 157.5 degrees. There you go. Okay, next, number 3. Is there a polygon having the sum of its interior angle equal to 2340? Okay, let's find out. So, 2340, okay, ang tanong, meron bang polygon? Sum is like that. So, syempre, equate natin sa formula na n minus 2 times 180. That is, so n minus 2. So, what I'm going to do is to divide 2340, okay, by 180. Okay, cancel yung 0 o yung 10. Okay, 234, nakita natin yan kanina. 234 divided by 18, that's 13, right? So, that's 13, okay, equals n minus 2. So, clearly, n is 15. So, therefore, the question, is there a polygon? Yes. And that is pentadecagon. Okay, pentadecagon nga ba yung 15? Wala. Anyway, huwag tayo mag-ibento na name. It's just 15 guns. Okay? Next, number 4. How many triangles are formed when diagonals are drawn from one vertex only of a hectagon? Okay. Ito yung binigay kong activity sa inyo, guys. Okay? So, balikan natin to, Okay. So, in your activity, so, diba, if you remember, from one vertex, okay, so you're going to connect it to the other, connect ka ng diagonal. Tama? Okay, so from there, kita natin how many triangles na form. Isa, dalawa, tatlo. So, meaning, kapag 5 sides, okay, kapag 5 sides, so, 5 sides. So you're going to form 3 triangles. So minus 2 lagi. Okay. So nakita nyo yun dito, right? Nung pinil up nyo yung activity. So meaning to say, so ang tanong, how many diagonals? Okay, kung 100 gone, drawing from one vertex only, so the answer here is just 98. Okay, 98. Clear? Next, number 15. What is the sum of the exterior angles of a pentadecagon? Okay, sum of the exterior angles. So, binigay ko na yon. So, automatic yon. Ang sum ng exterior angles of any n-gon is 360. Okay, and pinakita ko yon kanina. Clear? Next, 6. If the total number of interior angles of a polygon is 60, how many sides does the polygon have? Take note, total number of interior angles is 60. How many sides does the polygon have? The answer is also 60. Kunyari, triangle, di ba? So, I have 3 angles. How many sides? Tatlo. If I have a quadrilateral, I have 4 sides, I have 4 angles, and so on. So, ganun lang yan. Okay? So, 60 yung sagot. Okay, number 7. Determine the number of diagonals of a pentagon. Okay, take note, ang formula for diagonals, once again, n times n minus 3 over 2. Okay, so if you're after for the number of diagonals, n is 14, so that's simply 14 times 14 minus 3. Tama? That's 11. Okay, over 2. So clearly, cancel to. So this one will become 7. Therefore, there are how many diagonals? 7 times 11. So 77 diagonals. Okay? Kapag 14 gone. Next, number 8. Determine the number of sides of a polygon with 54 diagonals. So this time, we're looking for n given ang d. Okay, balikan natin yung formula. The diagonal is given by n times n minus 3 over 2. However, given to 54, we're looking for n. Tama? Okay, so cross multiply, I'm going to have 108 equals n squared minus 3n. So, marunong na kayo mag-factor ng ganito, right? In your basic math. So, n squared minus 3n minus 108 equals 0. Now, factors of 108. Okay, ano bang factors ng 108? Okay, so 1 minus 3, negative 108, negative 108. Okay, there you go. So 12 and negative 9, right? So if we're going to factor it, that's n minus 12 times n plus 9 equals 0. Check natin. Okay, this is negative 12 and this is positive 3 and negative 3n nga naman. Okay, therefore, so n is 12. We reject n equals negative 9. Alright, so since we're looking for sides, bawal maging negative. So therefore, this is n is equal to 12 or the decagon. Clear? Next, number 9. Find the ratio of the angles of a quadrilateral. Okay, the ratio of the angles of a quadrilateral is 1:2:3:4. Find the measure of each angle. Again, ratio of the angles of a quadrilateral is 1:2:3:4. Okay, any quadrilateral. Okay, so we know, okay, if going ko siyang x, alright, tapos 2x, hindi sinabing 1, 2, 3, 4, basta x, 1:2:3:4. So I'll just use x here. Okay, parang ganito lalabas. Right? So since, okay, quadrilateral, the sum of each angle, the sum of the angle is 360. So therefore, I'll just add it. X plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x, that's equal to 360. And we know 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is 10x. Right? So therefore, clearly, x is equal to 36. Now, tanong, find the measure of each angle. So, therefore, the measure of each angle are 60. 62. Saan galing 60? Sorry. 36. Tapos, 36 times 2, that's 72. 36 times 3, that's 108. And lastly, 36 times 4, That is 144, right? 144. So therefore, ito yung measure ng each angle. Okay? Alright, last problem. Okay, for this video. Find the measure of the exterior angles of a pentagon if the ratio of each interior angle is 2:2:3:4:4. Again, ang hinahanap, exterior angle. Okay? Okay. However, ang given, yung measure ng interior angle is 2:2:3:4:4. So, like what we did earlier, okay, 2x plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x plus 4x equate natin kay 540. Okay? Because the measure ng angle sa pentagon is 540. See that? Okay. So, therefore, ang 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4, that's 15x. See that? 15x equals 540. So, therefore, 540, okay, 540 divided by 15, that is 36. Okay. Meaning to say, yung measure ng, okay, ito yung interior angle, okay, ito yung exterior angle. Take note, we're looking for the exterior angle. Yung interior angle, 36 times 2 is 72. Okay? Same yan, 72 din. Okay, 36 times 3, that's 108. 36 times 4, that's 144. Okay, 144. There you go. However, once again, we're looking for the measure of the exterior angles. Okay, so syempre, we know kapag exterior angle, di ba? Okay, kunyari, ito yung polygon ko. Ayan. Pentagon. Ayan. So, ito, linear pair. Di ba? Linear pair yan. There you go. Okay, so, alright. This is 144. What happened? Sorry about that. Okay, so therefore, this is 108. Okay, 108. This is 72. This is 36. And this is 36. So if we're going to add all these 5, the sum is 360. There you go. So I hope you learned something on this video. So feel free to share to your batchmate. Keep safe.